What's up, guys? Welcome to BLIT Reviews. As you can see, I'm rocking my Soho Gallery. My favorite sneaker boutique here in Middle Tennessee, Hendersonville. Go hit them up. Soho is the place to go for the shoes on the low. How about that? Okay, today I got a brown paper bag special for my guys over at Soho Gallery. Like I said, once again, good people. Let's pull these out, set this to the side. I love finding, I'll say again, as you watch the other video before this one, diamonds in the rough. Here is a diamond in the rough. This is a hard to find sneaker. I actually got this. Let me just jump into it, okay? So it's a women's exclusive, but a size 13 in women. So it's a little big for me, but it fits just right. And size-wise, but it fits right. It's a women's retro 8. I bought this. I don't know the retail sticker's missing, but you see I got this for $249, and this is the women's Air Jordan Retro Ice Blue. Look at the box. Box is fire, right? Old school box, man. I love these OG boxes. Opening it up, you got your quality control stamp right here and right here. You got the quality control stamp right here. It's hard to see. This is a this is a very, very old shoe. Let's pull it out. Wow, right? Okay. This comes with 2 sets of laces. It also comes with a Jumpman card. So this actually has all the 8s of that year right here. All the 8s right here. Really cool. So I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to put the extra orange laces back in here. And I'm going to set the box to the side. But the color code is Ice Blue Silver / Orange Blaze. These are called the Ice Blues. These are bad, dude. Like, my guy at Soho, I always tell him, man, show me something that I haven't seen that is overlooked, that is hype, but not hype at the same time. I want it. And so he put your boy on this. Production date on these were May 16, 2007. What were you doing in 2007? 18, 19, 20. You're talking 13 years ago, almost 14 years ago, these shoes were made. And I actually rocked them here lately. I bought this shirt to go along with them. So here we have, and the ending date on that was 8/21/07. So jumping into this beautiful ice blue shoe, you have, obviously, I buy them pre-worn. I got this for, what was it, $249, so $250 out the door. So you have all these really cool, like, splash paint colorations going on right here. Never mind the dirt. It's because we rock our shoes. We don't stock our shoes. You got the dirty white Jumpman right there, and you have the silver rotating around. Look at that. That material, man, the material is so fire. I feel like they were way better back in the day. And has the, you know, a lot of people don't give a lot of 8s a lot of love, but these are ones that were overlooked and slept on. Well, actually, they weren't, but people have forgotten about them in the last 13, 14 years old. Rotating around, you got those splash paints right here up on the, past the mid, on the bottom of the upper. And you have the holes where your feet can breathe right there. You have the silver on the tongue and the whole silver, the whole tongue. This is like a very, very comfy shoe in there, man. Like I said, I've wore this a couple times. I just got these. I just haven't had time to make the video. I made the thumbnail. I had the thumbnail made for a couple weeks now. But I love the 8, so you can just slide your feet right in. I don't do all that taking it apart. So here you go. You got Air Jordan on the straps, rotating it around. I need to put a good cleaning on these. You have the Jumpman with the 3 colors up here that's in the whole shoe. Was it the Orange Blaze, the Ice Blue? These are really, really fire, man. I mean, just look at them, man. They're dope. The left one, the right one right here, I may try to put some different color shoestrings, but I may throw the orange in it. 1 orange and 1 white. That would look good. But these are a diamond in the rough. If you can find these, like I said, they're 14 years old. Snatch them up. I have so much old school and stuff. I got some OG Cherry 12s, like the very first ones, like over 20 years ago. So check this out. Right here, you have the whole silver tongue, the light blue sock lining, and Basically, this is, like I said, a size 13 in women's. This was a women exclusive, but it was extended in sizes. And this is the best 8 that I have right now in my collection. I don't have a lot of 8s. I have did a review on the N7, the Pendleton 8s. I have that video up as well. So go check out the one before this. I picked up some Kilroy 9s and these 8. So I'm all about finding overlooked stuff. I'm not all just about the hype. I like really cool stuff that has history behind it. So here in my hands, guys, is almost a 15-year-old shoe, man, if you think about it. From the idea to the production, and like, wow. So basically, before a person was born, I'm to driving the car when this was made. So we're gonna put that to the side. I appreciate you pulling up today. I got a lot more really cool stuff. I got those super early reviews. I had this a month or 2 ago before it came out released. I haven't done these yet. You know, I pick up stuff like I found these Dunks. These are going for like 500 on StockX, but I found these at my homeboy's shop in Nashville, another shop of mine, reused. You know, I like anything from Dunks. I like Jordans. I like Air Maxes. I got these. I keep my babies fitted out. So pretty much you're going to find kids shoes, women's shoes, men's shoes, Funko Pops, everything on my channel. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at BLIT Reviews. I will follow back and leave a message, and I will definitely post pictures on the new stuff that's coming out. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Till next time, stay woke, stay lit. Let's get it. We out.